In this topic, let us discuss about Python inheritance. Inheritance allows us to define a class that inherits all the methods and properties from another class. Parent class is the class being inherited from, also called base class. Child class is the class that inherits from another class, also called derived class. Create a parent class. Any class can be a parent class, so the syntax is the same as creating any other class. For example, create a class named person with first name and last name, properties and print name method. See here, now with you we are using print name method. We have given first name, last name, f name and in name. See def print name. Use the person class to create an object and they execute the print name method. See the result is Vishnu Narayana. Create a child class. To create a class that inherits the functionally from another class, send the parent class as a parameter. When creating a child class, create a class named student which will inherit the properties and methods from the person class. See, use the pass keyword when you do not want to add any other properties or methods to the class. Already we learned this pass method in previous chapters. Now the student class has the same properties and methods as the person class. Example, use the student class to create an object and then execute the print name method. See here, we are using execute print name Geta and Deepanvi. X is equal to student Geta Deepanvi. See class person def self first name last name. See here, by executing this code using print name method, see result is Geta Deepanvi. Add the underscore int underscore function. So far we have created a child class that inherits the properties and methods from list parents. We want to add the underscore init underscore function to the child class instead of the pass keyword. Note, the underscore init underscore functions is called automatically every time the class being is used to create a new object. When you add the underscore init underscore function, the child class will no longer inherit the parents underscore init underscore function. The child's underscore init underscore functions overrides the inheritance of the parents underscore init underscore function. To keep the inheritance of the parents underscore init underscore function, add a call to the parents underscore init underscore functions. Add the underscore init underscore function. An example, add the underscore init underscore function to the student class. So we added this def underscore init self first name last name. Here also def underscore init underscore self name first name in name. See here the result is Geta Deepanvi. Add properties etc. like that. Add properties. By using the super function, you do not have to use the name of the parent element. It will automatically inherit the methods and properties from its parent. So for example, add a property called graduation year to the student class. See here student Geta Deepanvi. See the graduation year. See here we have added this. This is the result is 2019. In the example below, the year 2019 should be available and passed into student class when creating student objects. To do so, add another parameter in the underscore init underscore function. Example, add a year parameter and pass the correct year when creating objects. See here, when we execute this code, the result is 2019. Add methods. Add a method called welcome to the student class. So now we are adding welcome method. If you add a method in the child class with the same name as a function in the parent class, the inheritance of the parent method will be overridden. See, it's already overridden. Welcome Geta Deepanvi to the class 2019. Pause this video and practice all the examples that I had given in these videos in your code editors. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.